Good afternoon, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself world and the snowy off-grid project. It's 3:45 in the afternoon and I haven't touched the camera yet. I have spent some time cleaning up the comments, cleaning up the yard. I had to repair the DC generator. I did not show you because it's been snowing all day, and honestly, I just ran out there and was running around quickly trying to get it going. The DC generator is running right now and charging my forklift batteries, so I will not spend another day in the dark. Although, it's a little bit dark in here. Oh, the camera really amplifies the light when I bring it in though. It's funny, the camera makes it look brighter than it is. Isn't it weird? So, there will be no solar power today. There won't be any solar power at all. We are in the midst of a blizzard that's going to last all day today and tomorrow. Should stop sometime tomorrow afternoon. Today is Saturday. And I just spent some time splitting some more firewood and getting it stacked under the tarp so I can wait this storm out. I've got the snowblower over there under tarp, right there. The wagon was full of firewood and I split it and stacked it. The snowblower is under the tarp. I've got gas on hand. I've got 2-cycle oil on hand. And as soon as the snow stops, I can start shoveling myself free. But as I said, that'll be tomorrow sometime. The wind turbine is offline because the diode shorted out yesterday. What happened is I was getting a lot of wind power yesterday. It was really good. And for some reason, the cheap eBay purchased made in China diode shorted out and conducted. It actually ended up acting as if there was no diode and it was a plain old wire. And so my wind turbine became a 350 watt DC motor, draining my batteries down to 12.2 volts before I realized it. So quite frustrating because I had all that awesome solar power yesterday. Batteries topped up finally, everything looking great. And then I go to turn on the lights in here and the computer and there's no power. I always check the voltage though before I turn anything on in here. Every time before I turn anything on, I check the voltage. And I checked and 12.2 volts. So that wind turbine had torn up every bit of power that I had brought in throughout the entire day yesterday. And now I won't have sun for another 2-3 days. They're saying not till Tuesday. So I've got gas for the DC generator and I got the generator running. Unfortunately, there's no cover for that right now, so I'm not really happy about having that running in the snow. Not happy about that at all. But there's nothing I can do right now. Batteries are 13.8 volts and holding because that generator does nothing but it's a voltage regulated alternator, and that's all it does. It just keeps the voltage at 13.8. But I'm able to run my laptop, which right now I'm going to process the next video for y'all and keep things going here and wait this storm out.